Hi guys, welcome to the quick report generation using Excel series. So this is the sample report card and this is the sample sheet I have. Today we are generating the skill based Mount Kilimanjaro report card. So here in the Excel sheet you need to enter or replace your data in order to generate this report card. So now in the school sheet you need to enter all the school information like name, address, report card name, the term name, logo and select the theme from these theme options. So all these information is printed at the top of the report card. Now let's go to student data. Here you need to update the student details like class name, their attendance details and then roll number. So this is printed over here. Now to the next sheet. Here are some signatures. Here enter or update the name of the signature holder, the designation and the digital signature. So this will be printed at the bottom of the report card. Now let's move to the skills. Here at the bottom there is subject name and then here is a student list and these are the parent and child skills. So whenever this tick is required you need to evaluate like this, like y. Similarly for the other subjects as well. So these are the skills for the other subjects and let's see the subjects and their evaluations will here in the report card. Now these are some class skills. This is the personal behavior skill. Let's go to the next sheet which is fine motor skills and gross motor skills. So whatever your skills are you need to update here in the sheet. And at the bottom there are the signatures. So this is how we can generate the skill based Mount Kilimanjaro report card using Excel.